Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to go ahead and just screenshot something, it's very easy. So the keyboard shortcut is Shift plus the Windows key plus S. And if we press that down at the same time, we should be able to screenshot something. And I just did it on my screen. Now another thing that we can do is go on over to the keyboard and press PrtScn right here. So you should have PrtScn somewhere on the top right of your keyboard. If you press this, it should also take a screenshot. Otherwise, you can go to search and go to the on-screen keyboard if you don't have that as an option. Just type in on-screen keyboard and it'll open this up right here. Just go to PrtScn and then you have to find the directory in which it is located in. So we can go to the File Explorer. And anything we probably did recently should show up under here. So you can see recent. So I don't see it under here. Otherwise, you can go to screenshots and we should be able to find the pathway for it. So screenshots. So you can see photos right here. Everything I just did is showing up under there. So just type in screen. There's screenshots. Here's my screenshots folder that I made at one point in time. So we can open this up then and go to the specific location. So let's go to open file location. And this is where I have all my screenshots going to. It will be under my name, pictures, screenshots. So just locate your name somewhere on the left side here. So that is the default location, I believe. So it's under Timbo Slice. And then it should be under pictures. And then have a screenshots folder in here. And this is where everything gets saved to. So you just have to find the location and then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.